Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 4 of our video series in which we are exploring the wide range of clothing and accessories in the Korean culture. So if you have not watched the first 3 parts yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now let's start with the 4th part. So here comes the Korean word for the traditional Korean dress. Many of you might know the answer to this, but still, as we are talking about the clothing in Korean culture, it becomes very important to include the traditional dress of Korea in the list. So, the traditional Korean dress is called hanbok. Hanbok. Okay, so hanbok is the traditional dress of Korea. Next, let's see the Korean word for headband or hairband, and that is 머리띠. 머리띠. 머리 is the Korean word for head, so it becomes easy for us to remember it that way. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for jumpsuit, and that is 점프수트. 점프수트. It is a Korean loan word. Okay, so it becomes easy for us to remember. Next, let's see how you are going to say bracelet in Korean, and that is 팔찌. 팔찌. 팔 is the Korean word for arm. So a kind of jewelry that is worn in the arm is bracelet. 팔찌. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for dress shoes, and that is 구두. 구두. Next, let's see how you are going to say blouse in Korean, and that is blouse. Blouse. This one is also a Korean loan word, and therefore it is very easy for us to remember this word. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for button, and that is 단추. 단추. Okay, now let's see the word for sweatsuit in Korean, and that is 운동복. 운동복. As you can see, 운동 is the Korean word for exercise, and 복 is the word for any kind of clothing. So, exercise clothing, 운동복, means the kind of dress, the kind of suit that someone wears while doing exercise. So, sweatsuit is basically meant to be worn during exercise, and therefore this word comes from that, 운동복. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for beanie, and that is beanie. Beanie. Again a loan word. Okay. And the last one is the Korean word for wallet, and that is 지갑. 지갑. Okay. Alright, so today we learned 10 Korean words for various kinds of clothing and accessories. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.